welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm in search of some massive tilapia scene. So any type tilapia, the invasive tilapia or our original tilapia, I will take it, guys. So today I'm on a solo hunt for some massive tilapia, as I said before. Yeah, man. So guys, if you're here, welcome to the new year. Remember, guys, we're heading for 20k this year. Remember, guys, like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe, please do. See? So anyway, I'm on a solo hunt now. I see a couple crocodile dip off. You know, say I feed them territory today, you. You guys saw me came here the last video, you know. Some massive tilapia was biting the lines. So I'm here today in the new year. I see what can go on for me, isn't me? See if we can get some massive tilapia. So stay tuned, peeps. I'm going on spot and I will soon show you what I have in the bag. So you see them out there? I have to go across this fence. I have to be very careful of here, guys, because there will be crocodile lurking anywhere right here. So let me just put the camera for a second and quickly pass. Oh, what that? Coming. Outside though, you know? I will be lighting this fire right here. So let me be very quiet. So you see the fire there? Got light, look here. See them? I light up a fire. Get rid of them. So yes, my peeps, I don't have a flint. This is one of the only thing I have around here you can light at the moment. Yeah, man, so we want the smoke to come up, isn't it? So we can run the mosquito them. But them so gone still not, guys, because the sun will come fully yet. I'm here early today, guys. I see some woolly fish I feed. So I'm showing you what I go on. So which you know I always travel with my knife and repellent. Repellent I finished now, peeps. Yeah, man. And I don't have a flint, so I travel with a lighter. See? Yeah, man. So peeps, today I have my thermostat bottle. You know, if you want one, you can order one off our channel. So I go on. I have these in stocks, some shirts, and I have some hook. Let me just go through them one by one. I have some season right here. So anything I catch today, if I have one or two, I might go on piece of stick. I have some hooks inside of here, guys. I have some sunscreen. You know, I have my rod right here, and I have hand lined in the bag, and a few more things. So anyway guys, I have the worms already, so let's get started. Alright, see fire blaze, the fire take down, come on peeps. So while the fire do its thing, say I go and throw two line. I have the rod set up, I have the buckle line set up, I have the string from the last time. I know over there, so this covers efficient over there, so peeps. So a tilapia, like how tilapia fish are. See dinner. You want to put on the worm just like this, because the fish is big. Just like that, make it move. Oh, this wall line. Alright peeps, so just be mindful, because the rod I broke off fire. That give me a problem, Alright. Peeps, what me I try achieve, me I try make the line sink. See because the lily in the water that hold the line up in the air. Alright, I guess that's good enough for one time. I guess that's good enough, peeps. You see, if I get a big enough, like not big enough, like a bait fish, I go set him off at the top and I move. I have to take time to talk, because the fish is there, peeps. See it? Watch out, I'm telling you, man. Watch out. See that? Nice. You see that, peeps? Nice. Nice. Me tell you, see them there. Shh. Peeps, one that gone. One that gone. Shh. One gone. So I set off line, peeps. So I have more chances of catching more fish. Alright, see that? As I say, hook on my fix. Put on the bait, them big, me peeps. Some bigger, massive fish and that in there, peeps. Massive fish in there. Trust me. So you see it? I mean, no, most of the fishermen probably say, I waste the bait, but I waste the bait, see me? want to stay. I guess see line pan there. The bait pan the rod want fix because it was dead now. Yeah man, fix the bait pan the rod. And the fish gonna stay as well. I'm telling you peeps, line never go, line never there water bottom, you see me? Continue to check the line here. How tilapia feed, them just run with the line. See them thing peeps? They might make the line float, they might not make the line go down. Cause see some of the time the worm them bull up on them. So in a place like this, you use sinker, no sinker. See? No sinker. Raise the bean when I use sinker peeps, because as you can see in the water, a be a stick. So you see, if you're using sinker in the water, just prepare for lose couple sinker well. You see me? Yeah, man. Bite line now. Smart tilapia enemies, now the beat. Invasive jaguar cichlids. And bear today too. Next invasive jaguar cichlids. Peeps, two fish me have on the square lot. I'm go for the one first. Go for the next one first. Next one kaya big fish. I know good no. Okay. Kilo hook. My peeps. So not too bad no. At mga no. So wash them off. Set them down now. Peeps, a fish on. But let's see if we can grab him. What is one? Top and bait. Top and bait, peeps. Peeps, I caught this African perch off camera. See him? Look nice. Caught a few more jaguar cichlids, peeps. Bait are run out now, so we need to get some bait. Set off the top and line after. Yeah, man. I'm pretty. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Whole I bait. Yes, my peeps. So right now, I hide my hide from the sun. See? So a line, big line set off up with some peeps. They go dig some worm. Unfortunately, look at the fish. You see them just take off the bait off it or something. You see me? Because I set one bait on it, come back, no bait another on it. It's a line like it draw off of the reel. I set it on. So anyway, I set back one bait on it now. Go and stay. So if nothing grab it, I set one bell on it. So if it's belly shake, or if me get the water move up there, run go up there. You see me? Other than that, I have line them set off over the rest of peeps. So I have one line this up. One line on the buckle. So I say anything around the buckle, I can hear the buckle move. Anything move that, I can see it. See? So stay tuned, peeps. Pasok na pang line. Wopol na ito. Target species. This is the carrack species. So what one? This will come for today, no peeps. Tilapia. These are the invasive tilapia, peeps. See him? We can catch a bigger one now. See what I got, huh? See if a bigger one there lurks. Come off. What is that? Peeps, every time I forget a fish up my ground now. The fish feed nice, you know. What is? What is that on the thick one? An invasive jaguar is in swallow the hook. Oh God, look at that. Swallow the hook. Oh, use stick and shoot it out of my mouth, peeps. So I go on. The string I take it time to build up, you know. So I go on. But a most jaguar, invasive jaguar, I catch me peeps. I never did my comfort today, you know. I did my comfort at all. And there, so I take them out of the water, you see? It's a good look. So go on. It a go. It a go, it a go, it a go. My beautiful peeps, so this is the catch of the day, and I would call it a good catch, you know, just me alone, solo hunt. Give them a quick wash off. So the thing is still a move. That is it on peeps. So remember, like, share and subscribe. Jamaica Adventures, you outside like all the time. Big up yourself, stay safe.